Tips for oily skin. Cleanse regularly. It's important to keep your skin clean and free of excess oil. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup that may have accumulated on your skin. Avoid overwashing. While it's important to cleanse your skin, overwashing can actually strip your skin of its natural oils, causing it to produce even more oil. Stick to washing your face twice a day, and avoid using hot water or harsh cleansers. Use a toner. A toner can help to remove any excess oil and balance the pH level of your skin. Look for a toner that contains salicylic acid, which can help to unclog pores and reduce oil production. Moisturize. Contrary to popular belief, oily skin still needs moisture. Use an oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without adding more oil. Use a clay mask. Clay masks can help to absorb excess oil and unclog pores. Look for a mask that contains ingredients like kaolin clay, which can help to control oil production and leave your skin looking matte. Avoid touching your face. Your hands can transfer oil and bacteria to your face, so try to avoid touching your face throughout the day. Use oil-free products. When choosing skincare and makeup products, look for oil-free formulas that won't clog your pores or contribute to excess oil production. Remember, taking care of your oily skin is all about finding the right balance. By following these tips, you can achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.